if you guys actually see it, you guys can see the focus on it. Like if I take it off my face, damn, that is crazy. Look at this thing, isn't it? What is a CRM system? Hello, this is Emmanuel Solano, and I have another video for you guys just for today. No, I'm just kidding, I'm gonna have videos every single day, but just for today, I'm gonna show you how and why you guys need a CRM system. So a CRM system, it literally translates to customer relationship management. So pretty much it is everything that has to do with the interaction that you have with the client, since the first moment you touch base with that client until you close the deal and it becomes a new client, right? So the first step is that client becomes a lead. Once it becomes a lead just means somebody that is interested or opted in, or somebody that you texted before, or somebody that you know. That is what is called a lead. So your goal is to win that lead over to become a client. That's it, period. So why is a CRM important? Because this is the place where your customers are gonna land. Being from the emails, text messages, automation, follow-ups, calendars, forms, questionnaires, everything that you need literally within a business, this is where everything is gonna be pretty much just hosted. So what do I mean by this? So what I mean is I would like to get more into detail into this, but I'm just gonna leave it on so that you guys can watch it. If you guys want to learn everything detailed step by step on how everything goes within the business industry, because this can also be applied to your normal life. We just don't know it, but we really do use it on our everyday tasks. Today we're going to be talking about messaging. Within my software, I have everything you can think of. From, I'm going to put a screenshot up here at the top so that you guys can see: conversations, contacts, messages, opportunities, payments, sites, reporting, reputation, and automations. This is everything pretty much that my software has, but it goes a little more into detail. So today we're gonna be talking about the messaging part of my software so that you guys know what it can do, and so that you guys have an idea on how you guys can use it. A messaging platform, it just doesn't mean that you can have your phone and you can be texting anybody or everybody. If you want to, you can, of course, but that's not the point. The point is having a system. The point is having something that if somebody asks you, you actually have a company, not just somebody that sells websites like I do. You know what I mean? Like I have a whole agency where I build websites, where I build funnels, where I design pay-per-click campaigns, where I design SEO optimized pages, blogs, videos, whatever you call it. Like it's different when you're a specialist and when you're just somebody that is trying to make your living. This is the reason why I started doing it solo and I wanted it to have my own thing, because I feel like everybody in the US, they just care about the money, and this is not who I am. You know what I mean? Like I've struggled so much within my life and within my own circumstances. I don't mean like outside things, but I mean like inside things. I've struggled so much that for me to get to the point where I am right now, I'm very grateful, and I always be grateful. And that is exactly the same reason why I want to help people, because it was so hard for me to figure it out that if I just had somebody that was like at the very least making these videos for free and being like, hey, like at least I can have somebody that I can have as a goal, or have as a, I don't know how you call it, but like it's this ideology. If you guys know what I mean, like just leave it in the comments, because I literally have no idea how to say it, but it's kind of like you have this figure where like role model. That's what it is. Okay, so I was thinking about a role model. So think about somebody that can be your role model, and literally all you gotta do is just follow their steps. Like I wish somebody was like telling me like, hey, do this for your agency. Like, hey, this is the way that you create websites. This is the way that you can have more clients. Like this is the way how you install systems. Like if this was something that like somebody would have without you having to pay and hear all these gurus telling you shit, like it would be a very friendly, knowledgeable world. But unfortunately, we live in a world where everything has to go paid, pretty much. But I don't blame these guys for selling all these courses and selling all this shit and like trying to make a living. Like that's how they make their money. You know what I mean? Like I just don't like doing it the same way they do. So this is why you guys have everything for free. And I pretty much charge everybody the same prices, and I'm not scared of saying it because it's even on my website. my pricing shit. Like people people try to get one client and try to get them to pay 5,000 when they can have five clients paying them 1,000, and then they can spread out the word. You know what I mean? But enough with the tech talk. Let me show you guys something. So a messaging platform pretty much is a place where you can have all your social media, all your outbound systems. Like this is what a messaging platform is your possibility to be using is a software that allows you to connect your Facebook, your Instagram, your emails, your normal text, your WhatsApp, all these other platforms, like your forms from your website. Like this is a messaging platform. So if you want to learn more about this kind of systems and you would like to implement it into your business, I will personally come and help you build it. Not like what these other people were saying. Like this is on a one-on-one situation, and I try to help as much people as I can, giving them as much value as I can. So if you find these videos helpful, please give it a like. Moving on, if you don't have a place where you can contact all these leads, have you seen those places or stores where you go and they have like 17 windows opens, like tabs and stuff, like they're trying to like follow and keep up with everything? This is what I mean. You can have everything in one place. You can have different BAs, you can have different people working at the front desk, you can have different assistants, whatever you want to call it. They can take care of it in just one platform. And on the next video, I'm going to explain to you guys what's opportunities and how you can take advantage of everything you want. And the reason why I say only opportunities and not with automations is because this is my own personal strategy. I don't feel like opportunities can go without their automations. They go hand in hand. So if you guys want to learn more, watching the next video. I promise you guys, you're not gonna be disappointed. I have tons of knowledge. I'm trying to get as much content out as I can. Thankfully, right now I have a way better lens that if you guys actually see it, you guys can see the focus on it. Like if I take it off my face, damn, that is crazy. Look at this thing, isn't it? So I do have a better camera now. This is what I use for my clients. If you are in the New Jersey area or New York area and you want a video shoot or a photo shoot for your business, let me know. I also do this kind of stuff. I live in New Jersey. If you want me to go to another state, that you have to cover up the expenses, but we can talk about it. If you feel like it, just shoot me a text on my personal Instagram or the company's Instagram. See you guys on the next one.